Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Date and Time. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those switchers. And now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping. Here we've got the day, a month and a year. And after that, it will be immediately applied. The same with the time. Just tap on it and by swiping, change it. It will be immediately set. You can see it on the status bar. Here the time zone, so just tap on the time zone, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So find yours and then tap on it. For example, this one. Moreover, you can change the time format, which is at the top. As you can see, just tap on it, and here we've got either 24-hour format or 12-hour format. Just tap on the specific option which you'd like to apply. Unfortunately, we cannot change the date format, only the time format. Here at the bottom, we've got also the option dual clock. We can turn it on and off just by using this switcher. And basically, the whole idea of this feature is that your device will display two different clocks. And the first one with the time from the place you're currently in. As you can see, the time zone is the time zone which is set here. And the second one from any other place in the world of your choice. So you can just choose, I don't know, whatever you want to. And here we can also display and decide how you'd like to display the dual clock on. So lock screen, home screen, only lock screen, or only home screen. Alright, so this is the manual customization of date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those two switchers right here to set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.